such an important message, especially
Yes.
since some stuff's going on out there.
Yes, but that something stuff, it doesn't look like it's going to do anything.
Good.
So I think we're going to stay quiet over the weekend.
Good.
We'll kind of wait and see what happens, as we are still in hurricane season and we're anticipating something, but nothing right now and nothing we need to worry about. And again, we look quiet through the weekend, so just enjoy the next several days, as we're not going to see a whole lot of rainfall. So if you have outdoor plans, just stay hydrated and stay safe in the sun. 88 degrees right now with a dew point of 74. Heat index is in the upper 90s. We did see heat indices getting into the triple digits at times during the day. Today's high 90. Yes, it was hot, but you know what? That is now the average. Our average now is 90 degrees and the record 95. So this is pretty much normal for this time of year. A lot of sunshine, but you see these brighter cloud types. We had a little boundary earlier this morning that helped some showers and storms kind of in the extreme eastern part of our viewing area and in Mississippi. Started to ignite, but never really did set over southeast Louisiana in terms of increasing our rain coverage. And once again, our rain coverage was at around 30, maybe 40%. We have a few thunderstorms that are bubbling up. Had a couple of showers on the North Shore, a few more just to the south of Hammond around Rudock, a little bit around I-55, a decent little thunderstorm. And even the metro area at times, maybe a brief little shower, a couple of light showers south of the city. This is all being driven by daytime heating. Once the sun goes down, any rainfall is gone later this evening. Temperatures are in the 80s across the area. So again, only briefly getting up to 90 degrees with dew points in the low mid 70s and even some upper 70s. It feels much hotter. 104 is the heat index currently at Raceland. 101 is the heat index right now at Thibodaux. And the heat index not going anywhere anytime soon, especially as we get toward the latter part of the weekend and early next week. Might see a little bump in the humidity, which is going to increase our heat indices as temperatures are going to stay in the 90s. Winds at times, you get a little bit of a breeze, but not much, and it's certainly not a cool breeze by any means. So fewer storms and hotter temperatures through the week with heat indices well above 100. We may start to get into more of that dangerous territory of 105. The tropics, as I mentioned, remain quiet at the moment. The Hurricane Center has decreased the potential of anything forming in the southwestern Caribbean to only 10% over the next 3 to 5 days. So it does not look like anything is going to form there in the near future. Nothing to track at present. So again, you start seeing computer models. There is nothing to track, and development does not appear likely through the weekend. And again, as I'd mentioned yesterday, ignore any computer models that are showing you something 7+ days out, because as of right now, there isn't anything out there. However, there possibly could be something next week in the Western Gulf, as some of the long-range computer models are saying in the next 7 days or so, we may see some development getting toward the Bay of Campeche, and then in the next week to 2 weeks, perhaps something, perhaps. I'm only showing you kind of a highlighted region of possible development and not showing you computer models because there is no consistency in any of the computers right now with regards to the tropics. So we're not worrying about it. Upper level low is still keeping some fairly active storms up to our north. At times, these storms try and move south, but they tend to weaken ever before reaching southeast Louisiana. And with a ridge of high pressure building in, we are going to start drying out, if it wasn't already fairly dry over the last several days. Even fewer showers tomorrow. And I'm kind of keeping the mention of rain out of the forecast for Friday and Saturday. Not to say we wouldn't see an isolated shower, but less than 10%, just leaving it out. Highs in the low 90s. Maybe we start to see some more spotty showers into early next week.
All right, Chris, thank you. Well, not even the president